They see us, but we cannot see them. Ancient texts speak of unseen creatures living among us. Science tells us there may be hidden dimensions beyond our perception. Could the legends of jinn, spirits and supernatural entities be more than just myths? What if modern physics is finally catching up to ancient knowledge? What if the unseen world is not out there in the vast expanse of space, but here, hidden in the shadows, just beyond our grasp? We humans pride ourselves on our senses, on our ability to perceive and understand the world around us. But what we perceive is but a sliver of the reality that surrounds us. Imagine a world beyond what your eyes can see, a world teeming with colors, with lights, with vibrations invisible to the human eye. The vast majority of light, from radio waves to gamma rays, remains invisible to us. We are blind to the infrared world, where heat becomes visible, where snakes see the warmth of their prey and flowers reveal hidden patterns to pollinating bees. We are deaf to the ultrasonic symphony of bats using echolocation to navigate and hunt. Our senses limit us, confining us to a narrow band of perception. The animal kingdom is replete with examples of creatures that perceive the world in ways we can only imagine. What if, in the unseen depths of the electromagnetic spectrum, in the unexplored realms of higher dimensions, other beings exist, observing us, interacting with our world in ways we cannot even fathom? Our minds are bound by the three dimensions we experience: daily, length, width and height. But what if our universe is far more complex, harboring hidden dimensions beyond our perception? Imagine, if you will, a two-dimensional being living on a flat plane. Their entire existence is confined to that surface. They cannot perceive anything above or below. Now imagine a three-dimensional object like a sphere passing through their two-dimensional world. To them it would appear as a series of changing circles, appearing and disappearing without explanation. String theory, a branch of theoretical physics, suggests that our universe may have as many as 10 dimensions. These extra dimensions, curled up and hidden from our view, could hold the key to some of the most profound mysteries of the cosmos. If higher dimensions do exist, what does that mean for the unseen world? Could it be that entities like jinn, spirits or shadow people exist within these higher dimensions, able to observe our three-dimensional world while remaining invisible to us? Perhaps, just perhaps, the unseen world is not a realm of superstition and myth, but a realm governed by the laws of physics, a realm waiting to be explored by minds bold enough to venture beyond the familiar three dimensions. Chapter 3. Real Supernatural Encounters in History. Throughout history, countless tales have been whispered around campfires and recounted in hushed tones, stories of encounters with the unexplained, the uncanny, the downright terrifying. Consider the chilling tale of the Enfield poltergeist, which terrorized a family in a seemingly ordinary house in Enfield, England in 1977. Furniture moved by itself, objects flew across rooms with impossible force, and, most disturbingly, a young girl's voice was taken over, replaced by a guttural, unnatural rasp. Researchers, including police officers and paranormal investigators, were baffled. Recordings were made of the voice speaking through the girl, a voice distinctly not her own. Then there is the unsettling phenomenon of the Hat Man, a shadowy figure wearing a wide-brimmed hat, often reported lurking in the periphery of vision. Witnesses from around the world describe similar experiences: a sudden feeling of dread, a sense of being watched, and then the fleeting glimpse of this dark figure. Perhaps the most perplexing case of all is the unexplained disappearance of an entire Brazilian village, Rio Verde, in 1923. 600 souls vanished seemingly overnight, leaving behind an eerie silence and a single chilling clue. A message scrawled on a blackboard in a deserted schoolhouse reading simply, there is no salvation. Chapter 4. Are we being watched? The thought is unsettling, even unnerving, but it persists. What if we are not alone? Not in the vastness of space, but right here, right now, in the very room with us. Have you ever felt a sudden chill, a prickling sensation on the back of your neck, a feeling of being watched, even when you are alone? We often dismiss these feelings as tricks of the mind, remnants of our primal instincts, but what if they are something more? Across cultures and throughout history, similar stories emerge. Tales of shadow people flitting at the edge of vision, of disembodied voices whispering in the dead of night, of objects moving inexplicably as if guided by an unseen hand. Perhaps they exist alongside us, their existence interwoven with our own, their motives and intentions as inscrutable as the depths of the cosmos. The idea that we are being watched, that our every move is observed by unseen eyes, can be unsettling, even terrifying. But it can also be a source of wonder, a reminder that our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how little we truly understand. Could ancient knowledge about jinn, spirits and supernatural beings have been describing interdimensional visitors all along? As science advances, will we finally uncover the truth? The unseen world, once a realm of fear and superstition, is slowly revealing itself, not as a realm of ghosts and monsters, but as a frontier of scientific exploration, a testament to the boundless mysteries of the cosmos.